Hi again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at the map skill, compass direction. You know that when we are dealing with maps, there are actually two ways of giving direction. We can use the compass direction here, the 16-point compass, the 8-point compass, and we can use bearing, okay? So today we're looking at compass direction. Giving direction on a map using the 16-point compass. And here I have the 16-point compass partially completed. So let's complete it, right? So we know that between north and northeast, that is north, northeast, and between northeast and east, that is east, northeast, east going southeast, that's east, southeast, southeast going to south, that's south, southeast, and they're going to southwest, that's south, southwest, here, west, south, west, west, north, west, and north, north, west. Okay, so that's the subdivision there of the compass, 16-point compass. So if we're asked to give the direction of place A, so say place A is right here, place A, give the direction of place A from place B, okay, from place B, so this is place B, okay, so what is the direction of place A from place B? That's the question. So look at the word from. Remember, that's important. Okay, so if you're actually giving the direction for place A, okay? This is the place we're giving the direction for. And take it that we're standing at place B, okay? So remember that whatever place comes after the word from, that's where you're giving the direction from, okay? So this is where we'd be drawing our 4 cardinal points through, north to south line, west to east, right through, okay? And then we try to use a straight edge and connect both points, right? So without actually drawing an 8-point compass, we can see what the direction is, what place A is from place B, right? So if we look here, this is south. What does that look like? If it was southeast, then it would be about somewhere there. So we can see that it's not southeast. So it is between south and southeast. So that would be south, southeast. So the answer would be south, southeast. Okay? So that is where place A is from place B. Okay? See how easy that was? Let's do another one. Supposing we're given the direction of place C from place B. What is the direction of place C from place B? What would that be? Giving you a few moments to work that one out. Remember, whichever place comes after from, that's where you are actually taking the direction from. Okay? So we're given the direction for this place. You've worked that one out? Let's see, let's connect the points. So that looks like it's between north and northeast. So we know that would be north, northeast. There you go. That's how we do the giving direction using the 16-point compass. So you keep practicing, and remember to subscribe. What I'll do, I'll look at a question on a recent past paper, and I'll just do that on the topographical map. Okay, let's do a practical question on compass direction. So looking at the 2022 past paper, the question says, what is the compass direction of the school near Union Estate, Grid Square 6843 from Trigg Station 1047, and that's in Grid Square 7043. Let's look at the map. Okay, so we're looking for Grid Square 6843. 68 along the corridor, then up the stairs. So in this square, 43, right, going up. Okay, so we're looking for a school somewhere here. There is the school, SCH. You may not be able to see it that great, but it's right here. Okay, so that's our first point right here. Put a little circle there. Okay, and then we're looking for the next point. The Trigg Station is 1074, and it's in grid 7043. So 7043. There you go. There's a Trigg Station right here. 1047. Okay. So there's the point. And here I have the north to south line, actually the 4 cardinal points drawn through that spot. So the north to south line, west to east. What do we need to do now? We need to connect both points. So we are connecting this point here at the Trigg Station to the school right here. And we're going to be giving the direction of the school from the Trigg Station. Okay, so there we go. We connected both points. So we know here is west. We know that it is actually between west and north. Okay, so what would be our point right here? That would be, do you know what it is? That would be west, northwest. There you go. Keep practicing, and you should sure get that 1 mark for that test item.